This here is the lift hill of the Skyways roller coaster here at excuse me, Clarance Pier amusement park in Southsea, Portsmouth. Yeah, as you can see, she's been open since well, Janet hasn't seen this, but she's been open since the 80s, and now in 2018 she's been being taken down by the looks of things. I've never actually got a chance to ride on this, sadly, so I've missed it out. So yeah, sad to see an old coaster go. We want to go on it this year, but don't appear to be possible. Hopefully another coaster will be replacing it, but I don't know at all what's going on here. If I find that out, I will update the description of this video and tell you. So yeah, sad to see this one go. This video goes out to all the theme park enthusiasts out there, especially Coaster Crazy, one of his favourite roller coaster credits. So other rides we got here, you got the Twister there, really good waltzer. You got the Solent observational wheel, which is returned for 2018. You got the carousel over there. You used to have a curtain around the outside of it, when it wasn't open. Yeah, and you got some loads of kids rides, and at the back there are some door jumps. So there you have it. Just the lift hill left on the coaster. Skyways is no more. You can probably see the door jumps just about there. There you go.